just that you want me, but I said I will want myself. I'll beg you for help. I will want myself. I'll beg you for help. I will want myself. Since our natural lashes don't really find sparse there, but if you want, you can overlap your second lash onto it and continue to make sure your outer corners stay lifted. Start on the outer corner to make sure you have an angle and work your way in. Another thing you can try is to apply your inner and outer corner lashes first to create a frame which supports inside. Then work your way in and overlap as much as you need. Which is your favorite way to apply it?
Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.